quickly, guys. Good day, everybody. How is it going? Mr. Fabian asked me for live analysis, where I analyze the market live and direct, and that's why I'm quickly doing this specifically for you guys to see, how I can't explaining how I do my analysis with, it will be me telling stories because I have story behind every move. I have reasons and I have to explain my reasons step by step. But this one is just plain an analysis you could follow. You know, uh, in case you are trading this, do not risk more than you can afford to lose. Yeah, the forex market is crazy and it's a risky environment here. So this is like an update on what I dropped the last time. You guys should be reacting on my YouTube. Please like the video after you watch. Subscribe too. all right. So this Euro USD, and then last time I talked, I showed the DXY and I talk about how I'm expecting it to get to certain level. This is 106 zone. That's a psychological zone. Round figure zone. Round figure levels are psychological level in the forex market. Yeah. So and it's always work. It does work. But you have to know the psychological level where your order is gonna be picked, where the market maker or the smart money are interested in buying or selling from. So this is the DXY. So with new developments now, today Monday I don't trade all day. Like I said, I'm a swing trader, and it's my rule not to trade on Monday. Even though you know my trading, what I've been expecting for a long time tallies on a Monday, I won't trade it on a Monday unless I'm just like, okay, instead of risking $100 for instance on this trade, let me risk $50, and the day I will trade, let me risk another $50. But that will be a day that it's going to be that I'm so sure that, okay, I don't want to miss out on this at all. But even with that, I know that I didn't follow my plan. I like to follow it religiously. So it's my trading plan not to trade today, on Monday and Friday too. I don't really trade. You still find out all these things. You have a personal trading plan for yourself. Okay, yeah, I'm anticipating the market get here. Let me put it on the 4 hour. I want to make this real quick. I anticipate that the market gets to 106 level before returning back. But Monday, yeah, market didn't go so high and it's dropping. And the only reason why I'm expecting it to get here is not that because market is not ripe to fall. Of course, I've been expecting it. I was in this drop actually. I sold here, and sorry, I bought the because the negative of DXY is Euro USD. So I actually bought around here. I bought around here, and then it got here and it retraced back. I had to take a little loss because I was in for the long ride. It was in so much profits. Imagine from here to this place and then drop way down. So I didn't take a partial because I'm looking to ride it for a long time. So here it is again, and it's giving buy signal already, and I'm not into it. Still a very safe thing to enter, a very safe position to enter now. Is less than 100 pips, let's say about 100 pips, and still have a long way to cover. Let me show the DXY. So now I'm not interested in this 106 level again because I'm seeing what the market is doing, because it could analyze something and the next thing you see that the market is doing another thing. It's just that playing along the trend and the waves. You don't want to swing against the tide. It could be brutal, so you are riding the tide with the market. So with this, I know that, okay, market is already coming down. Last week closed at the 105.79 zone. So looking at the Euro USD now, what am I expecting is a long buy. I talked about swing high, swing low of the market the last time, and let me just briefly explain. The swing high is the is an high that has a lower high to the left side and a lower high to the right side. This is an example of it, swing high. So it's an example of a swing high. But with the overall market condition, looking at the monthly from the top down analysis, thing that we're talking about, I was not expecting that this swing high really uh, work. Why? Is because the general condition of the market is not telling me that it's going to be in for a long sell. Though it's sold here, and it's this is massive. If you are, if you put your money in this massive, I actually traded the sell, but it's not the big sell I've been expecting on the Euro US. It's not a big move I've been expecting on the Euro USD. So for the buy here, it's just simple and basic. No long talk here. All I'm doing is buying. Buying already, but I'm not buying now. Uh, Tomorrow we have fundamentals, so I want to see how the news reacts before buying. And eventually, I see that this is where price have been waiting to actually buy from. You can see this week here. These are exhaustion of the candle. This is where market exhausts its power and it's really going up from there. So with that, I'm gonna like if I'm to buy, if I were to enter my buy now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna risk some 70 to 75 pips. Just be along below this. Just right under the wick that formed here last week Friday. I'm gonna put it there, and I'm just gonna increase my buy to the upside. This being the first take profit. So the first take profit for me, if I were to buy here, it's gonna be uh okay, it's gonna be here. It's gonna be here. This I here is gonna be here, and the second take profit. Oops. Um, and the second position, like take profit, where I'm anticipating that okay, market gets to next before stopping. The second take profit will be here. That's the second high here. So markets will be reaching out for these two. But then I want to see, it gets here first and then it gets here. Aiming for this first one alone, it's a one reach as it is now is a ratio 1.3.5%. It means if you are risking $1 here, you'll be coming out with $3.5, and here is a risk reward 1 to 6.3. It means if you are risking $1 here, you'll be getting out with $6.37. So that's just it. Using your lot size calculation and your pips calculation along your lot size that we talked about the last time, you know you will be um, able to calculate this stop loss and the take profit amounts according to your accounts, according to your account balance. So here is my speculation, here is my analysis. Here is a trade that I'll be entering probably tomorrow or Wednesday. I just want to see the news, the fundamental that will react and bring us a little lower, because I like to trade the discount zone. I want a lower price. It could happen, it could not, it may not happen. Probably it will not happen this week or till next week. But if I were to be an aggressive trader, I would jump into this trade right away. But I like to get discounts, so that's why I'm waiting. Should uh should there be should the fundamental tomorrow just bring us back to somewhere around here or a little bit lower, I'll up in. I just want to ensure that I'm not risking. At this point, it's not even up. It's not. It's just around 65 pips. But I don't really want to risk more than 50 pips. So that's the aim. Yeah. But I'm sure I'm not totally going to miss out on this entire move. So looking at the weekly, and one thing is that combining this with fundamentals, just last week, I think Wednesday, was it Wednesday? Yeah, I can't truly remember the dates, the exact date. The petrol dollar be the petrodollar pegged agreement that is between the United States and the Saudi Arabia 50 years old contract got expired, and it means a lot to the dollar economy. It means the dollar index itself will be seeing a nose diving movement come, from probably from now to like 2027, 2028. As a trader, we know what to do with this information, and analyzing these along technicals, it's tallies, and they are telling the same story. Overall move of euro, for me, we're still going up. In fact, okay, this is actually the weekly time frame. In fact, this is supposed to be the take profit one. This is actually the take profit one. The take profit two that I put here is actually the take profit one. And looking at the weekly now is when I'm seeing, it enabled me to see broad view, and that was a mistake for me saying this one is not, you are still riding here, you are still riding the market here. The take profit one is here. So for me as a swing trader, that is it. And I'm not sure I'll be holding this single position when I enter it. I'm not sure I'll be holding it till take profit two in a single trade. Yeah, but the profit one is sure I'm gonna be holding it to that very place. Like, I'll be holding it to at least the 1.110, 1.110. So that's it, guys, for Euro USD.